It's a beautiful day at Jefferson Elementary School, so what better way to spend it than growing a garden? At least, that's what students say. They're involved with the Junior Master Gardeners Club, which meets after school to learn about planting and growing their own food. Instructor Carolyn Carcasey says students are coming around on gardening, but also vegetables.
We also have them cooking their own food, so they come in, they harvest, and they do a recipe and cook it. A lot of the kids would not even try any vegetables at first, and now I just bring fruit and vegetables either from the garden or from the grocery store, and they eat it up.
The club started 3 years ago and was met with plenty of excited students.
It was right after COVID, and we tried to cap it off at 12, but so many kids wanted to get in, we just let 24 kids in, and it was a lot, but it was really great and just good for the kids to be out in something right after being inside for COVID.
Students say they found their own reasons to get involved.
I like being outside. I have fun with my friends and also learn.
People get to see how beautiful nature can be when it's not polluted.
And they found ways to give back.
We have an old rusty bench over there, but we've been trying to find a new solution for, so I decided to step in and collect about 300 pounds of bottle caps to make this bench.
But the learning doesn't just stop once they leave the garden here at Jefferson Elementary School, as they take these skills home with them and into their daily lives.
So said that it has changed how they eat at home, which is yay, a big yay for us.